Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing and coloring a scene from Don't Play with Ants with a boy named Tim who learns a big lesson after bothering a busy line of ants. Ants are always marching in a line, working together and carrying giant crumbs. Can you imagine what they're doing with all that food? And guess what? While we draw, we'll learn all about why we should never disturb ants and how they keep the world in their own little way. So grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. And if you love drawing and learning with us, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a fun story again. Oh, and while you're here, give this video a big like if you've ever seen ants marching outside. Now let's talk about ants. These tiny creatures are always on the move. Have you ever seen ants walking in a long line along the ground? That's because they work as a team. Ants live in huge families called colonies, and some have thousands of ants. Wow! Each ant has a special job. Some find food, some guard the nest, and some take care of baby ants. It's fun to draw and color these little ants because they're always doing something helpful. What color would you make your ants? Would they be red, black, brown, or maybe rainbow striped? Let's imagine a little boy named Tim. One sunny day, Tim saw ants crawling outside his house. He thought they looked funny, so he picked up a stick and poked the ant trail. Uh-oh! The ants didn't like that. One tiny ant climbed up and bit Tim's finger. Ouch! He jumped up and down and danced around like a silly chicken. Can you pretend to dance like Tim? Wiggle, wiggle, flap, flap. Tim learned something that day. I shouldn't bother ants, he said. They were just working hard. Drawing this moment is so fun. Tim jumping, the ants marching, and everyone learning something important. If you think Tim learned his lesson, give this video a big like. Here are some super cool ant facts. Ants can carry things 50 times heavier than their bodies. That's like you picking up a car. Ants don't talk. They leave scent trails to tell each other where the food is. Some ants build floating rafts when their homes get flooded. And here's a silly one. Ants don't have ears. They hear by feeling vibrations through their legs. Imagine hearing with your feet. Next time you see ants carrying big crumbs together, remember, they're showing awesome teamwork. Drawing these little helpers makes them feel even more special. So, what did Tim do after that ant bite? He told his friends, let's watch ants, not bother them. They're tiny, but really smart. Now, whenever Tim sees ants, he gives them space and says, good job, little buddies. That's a great lesson for all of us. Ants have homes, jobs, and families, just like we do. Drawing Tim and the ants helps us remember to be kind to even the smallest creatures. And hey, what would you name your ant character? Speedy? Crunchy? Antenna Anna? Get creative while you color. If you're naming your ant right now, give this video a big like and tell me what you chose in the comments. So bright, so bold, so cool. drew a busy line of ants and a boy named Tim who learned an important lesson in Don't Play with Ants. We discovered that ants may be small, but they do big things, like building colonies, carrying heavy loads, and helping nature. We also learned why it's important to respect nature, even if it's tiny and crawling. If you had fun drawing and learning with me today, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next adventure on Let's Draw and Learn. And give this video a big like to show your ant appreciation. Thanks for drawing with me today, friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.